Hello guys, Noors here. So today we have a lot of upgrades coming up to the Galaxy S23 series. A 200 megapixel camera sensor, front camera upgrade after 3 years, new generation of CPUs and GPU, and much more. So let's dive in. ARM company has unveiled its next generation CPU and GPU cores that will be used in 2023 Android smartphones, at least the flagship ones. If you don't know, all mobile chips, whether it's from Samsung, MediaTek or Qualcomm, they all are based on the latest generation of ARM tech. For the next year, ARM has made the X3 core, which will be used on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Exynos 2300 chips, which most likely will power the Galaxy S23 series. Let me give you the exact boost of this X3 supercore. The new Prime CPU core features 22% higher peak performance, but only when used with a 3nm fabrication process. When using the same process node 4nm as last year, expect an 11% performance uplift. And then comes the Cortex A715, the mid-tier CPU, which is responsible for a lot of tasks we do on our smartphones. It will be 5% faster than the last year's and 20% power efficiency. With this power efficiency, we expect better battery life on the next Android flagships. And for the Cortex A510, we'll have a 5% boost in performance and 5% power efficiency as well. ARM also unveiled the Immortals G715 GPU, which is ARM's first hardware ray tracing support. Ray tracing is a new technology that better simulates how light illuminates a scene within a game compared to rasterization. The new GPU offers 15% higher graphics processing performance and 15% better power efficiency. Also, Samsung officially announced that they started their 3nm chip production, which is based on GA8 transistor architecture. This 3nm process can achieve 45% less power consumption, 23% improved performance, and 16% smaller area compared to a 5nm processor. In addition to all of this efficiency of power, the Galaxy S23 series will have a bigger battery according to the rumors. And rumors indicate that the Galaxy S23 Ultra may use Samsung's latest and biggest camera sensor, the 200 megapixel sensor, probably the ISOCELL HP1. However, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus may stick to 50 megapixel main cameras since Samsung introduced them just this year with the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. While Samsung has been throwing every camera upgrade that it can find at its Ultra models, that has not been the case for the base and Plus models. Actually, you'll be surprised to know that the selfie camera resolution on those two models hasn't been improved since the S10 series in 2019. Samsung has opted for 10 megapixel front camera on these models since then. After 3 years, it looks like the company is finally ready to upgrade the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus selfie cameras resolution next year. The rumors say that Samsung is considering a 12 megapixel front camera sensor for the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. At this point, it's unclear whether the new front camera will have optical image stabilization. It's also unclear if the front camera will be under the display like it will be on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or the conventional hole punch. But in my opinion, there won't be a camera under the display on any Samsung Galaxy phones other than the Galaxy Z Fold series, due to technology's unfinished condition, which makes it way far from perfect. Also, after 4 years, Samsung finally upgraded the telephoto camera on the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, which is a 10 megapixel camera with a 3x optical zoom. And according to the reports, the company might not improve it further for the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your opinions about these rumors about the Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.